Here's a timer DT620 by Intermatic. It costs about $50 on Amazon, and this one will change the events, the time, according to the times of the sunrise and sunset throughout the year. So it's pretty handy for landscaping and such. It will detect, you will know when to turn it on and off according to the times of sunrise and sunset. Now, to be able to program it, you have to set the time first, and I linked a very good video in the description below how to set the time, and it's relatively easy. The tricky part is to either set or change the programming mode, the events. So to do so, use the wheel, which will only work when element is blinking on the screen, and then you use only the program button. I'll show you in a moment step by step how to do it, and at the end, when everything is set properly, you hit the OK to confirm and to close the programming. So in order to set up the times of being on at dusk, off at dawn, all I do is hit program, and I have event number 1, as you see, the one blinking. So I'll hit the programming button again, and now it changed to dawn, which I have to change back to dusk on. So let's see, here we go, this is dusk, and the tiny on blinking, and this is correct, so I hit the program again, and now it goes to the days of the week. I want it every day of the week, so I'll don't change anything, don't turn the wheel to specific days, but hit the program again, at which point this goes to event number 2. Event number 2 has to be off at dawn. So I'm going to hit program, and now I have to change because this time it went on at dusk. I don't want it, I want off at dawn. So I go to dawn, and now this is on at dawn. I don't want it on, I want it off at dawn. Here you go. I hope you can see it on the screen, but there's no blinking off and dawn, and this is correct for event number 2. So I hit the programming, I get the days of the week blinking, hit program again, and it jumps to number 3. Number 3 should be blank, like it is. In other words, should be skipped. So I hit program again, and go to the, here you go. So this is what I want as event number 3. I go to event number 4, which is correct. This is what I want. I'm going to turn the wheel now without hitting the program because I don't want to change it. I go to number 5, is also blank, 6 blank. I check them all to make sure that other events are not interfering with my setting of 1 and 2, and go through all of them until 28, and none of them is programmed. Now, if you had any of these programmed, for example, something like this, or if this is what you have, then at this moment you have to keep turning the wheel until you get the blanks. Here you go. And this is what you want to program. Now 21 is good, 22 is good, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. This is perfect. That's exactly what I want. And this will be on at dusk number 1. And I hit the OK to confirm everything. And this is set. Now, before you plug in, make sure that the auto is on. And you change it by hitting the mode button. So you have random, you have clock only, and you have manual, and you have auto. So the auto has to be on. Now you can plug in your appliance, plug in the timer, and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you.